Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Stellar Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. I'm going to bring that down. I'm going to come over here, I'm going to pinch it in half, bring it over to the center, and then here we have this. Come up and over like this, like so. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wreath right here. I'm going to bring it down like this. Then at the bottom I'm going to stop it from being a wreath. I'm going to fold it in half like this, like Linwood Darkus and Boris Mocha do. It's a wreath up here, clearly braided, and then I'm going to have it folded in half down here. And then I'm going to bring it up, and then it's going to unfold. I want to unfold it at the top here. So it's going to be a braid right here, a wreath. It's going to be, then it's going to transform into a folded in half here, and then it's going to kind of, we want it to kind of unfold up here at the top. It'll naturally do that. So it's going to be a little tricky there, but then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it folded back in half and bring it over to the center like so. And so we have that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it folded in half, and I'm going to come across the bottom like this, and then kind of come back up the top like that. So we have this right here. Then I'm just going to do a quick wreath and then just bring it back over like so. And then we're going to have it come back down like this. And I'm using a floral print. That tie, that folded part is going to kind of ride up like that. That's fine. That'll work. So I'm just going to center that, and then there you have the Stellar Wreath knot. Oh no, stop, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll catch you in the next video.